Hi, my name's Rob Fedun, and I'm the founder of Tinga Nutrition Inc. We are working with Interexy to build our beta app, which is launching this spring, 2021. And we're very excited for the launch, and we're exceptionally pleased with all the work that we've done with Interexy thus far. The idea of Tinga came to me probably around 2 years ago in January 2018. And I went through a couple years of formulating a team and putting together the infrastructure of what is now Tinga Nutrition Inc. When we got to the stage of looking for an agency to work with, there was a number of different agencies that we did review and screen very thoroughly. And we were very impressed with Interexy and their process from start to finish. They're very professional, very formal, and very thoughtful in their overall process of helping their clients essentially realize their dream and bringing their app or their beta to life in a very energetic and fruitful manner. The main reason that we wanted to move forward with AMS is because we felt that what they were providing was very efficient, very straightforward, and they definitely had the wherewithal and the knowledge to pull off what we were looking for. We knew that our build on the back end was definitely going to be a bit more complex because it involved food, and this was definitely a challenge that many people before us have taken on and not been successful at. But we're obviously big believers in what we're building and the future that we can bring to society overall. And we found that that Interexy was the best partner for that job. Again, with their overall button-down process with end-to-end, front and back-end development. The current stage that we're at on our project is the final one. We're probably about 4 to 6 weeks out from launch. Interexy is I'm going to say right on track with what they're doing. Right now, the deliverables are all on the client end, and we're getting that great support again from our team. Igor's our project manager, and he's doing a great job. And we're very, very happy with it. So we're excited about launch, and we feel very supported, which is a big thing, especially at this stage from Interexy, just because they're great at what they do, and they want to make sure that that what they're building, they obviously have a lot of pride in, but that it is as successful as possible, or as it can be, in order to obviously take it fully to full launch. Deciding who to go with in terms of an agency to do your beta build and development, it's a big decision. It's a lot of time. It's a lot of monetary investment, and you definitely want to make sure that you're making the right choice. I can stand or sit during COVID, sit here with confidence that going with Interexy is a great option, because they are forthright, right? They wear their heart on their sleeve. They're very straightforward about what they do, and their deliverables. They're very trustworthy, and they really help manage expectations. They're very open with communicating, which is a very, very big thing, especially at this stage. So you want to make sure that your time and your money is in good hands. And I can confidently say that my overall process has been exactly what was expected, and I do have high expectations, and they've definitely delivered on that.